Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, Question 33. Environmental hazards involve the following except A. Erosion, B. Bush burning, C. Deforestation, and D. Reforestation. So we have to pick an option which is not part of environmental hazards. Now, what is environmental hazard? Environmental hazard just simply means what? Harmful practices that affect the environment. Harmful practices that affect the environment. And these practices are usually carried out by man, which are as a result of man's activities. So now these practices are actually what? They are harmful. They affect the environment, and that's why I refer to them as environmental hazard, because they causes damage to the environment. But now the question says environmental hazard involve the following except, that is, which of these is not an environmental hazard? When you see the word except, it simply means what? The negation. That's the negative of your question. So now, which of these is not an environmental hazard? A says erosion, and like we know, erosion simply means what? Erosion simply means the wearing away of the what? Of the topsoil. Involves the wearing away of the topsoil, and this can either be as a result of what? Wind or water, as in flooding. They can what? They can wear away the topsoil, and this leads to erosion. Now, erosion will lead to what? Will lead to the depletion of the soil nutrients, because as this erosion occurs, as the topsoil is being what? Is being blown away or weighed away, the soil nutrients is being what? Depleted, and this affects the environment, because it definitely affects plant production. Now B says bush burning. Bush burning is also what? An environmental hazard, and this simply means what? Setting. It simply means setting bushes on fire. Now, how is this bush burning harmful to the environment? When we set bushes on fire, what happens? In the process of burning these bushes, we burn the topsoil. We burn the topsoil, and so therefore the nutrients in this topsoil is being depleted. And once this nutrient is depleted, what happens? It affects the production of plants. So it affects what? It affects the nutrients contained in this soil. So bush burning is an environmental hazard. Now C says deforestation, and like we know, deforestation simply means the falling of trees. Deforestation simply refers to the what? To the falling of trees, that is, cutting down trees, either for engineering work or for production of timbers that are used in making your doors, your windows. That's what deforestation means: falling trees, cutting down trees. Now, this deforestation is actually an environmental hazard, because it exposes the soil, it exposes the environment to unfavorable conditions. It exposes the soil to sunlight, to rays, radiations. It exposes the soil to erosion. And when all this occurs, it depletes the nutrients of the soil, and this affects plant production. So deforestation is an environmental hazard. Now D here says reforestation, and reforestation here simply means what? Reforestation simply refers to the planting of trees. And like we know, planting of trees helps what? It helps to restore the environment. It helps to restore the environment or the ecosystem. Planting of trees helps to restore the environment. So you see that what? Reforestation is not an environmental hazard. Instead, reforestation helps to what? It helps to improve the standard of the environment. It helps to restore the environment. And the question says environmental hazard involves the following except. So we have erosion as an environmental hazard, we have bush burning as an environmental hazard, deforestation is an environmental hazard, but reforestation here is not an environmental hazard. So our answer to this question is D, reforestation. D is our answer. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.